So I've given you a guide of how to work out how many lengths of paper you'll need for your wall and how much to buy. As I mentioned, with a big bold pattern that has quite a big repeat, and the repeat is where your pattern repeats and where you'll be cutting off waste, there'll be a lot of waste. With a big pattern repeat, there'll be a lot of waste of paper. So as I said, I work on 3 drops, 3 lengths of paper to a roll with a pattern and 4 with no pattern. Now you might find if your pattern repeat is very small, and it will say that on the label, so when you're buying the paper, if the pattern repeat is 5 or 10 centimetres, which is small, commonly they're 40, 50, 60 centimetre repeats. If there isn't much of a repeat, you could get 4 lengths to a roll, so you might be over buying your paper. Off the shelf in a store, B&Q's, Home-Based Wicks, wherever, if you bought your paper there, you can just take an extra roll back. If you order online, it's normally a minimum of 2 to 3 rolls. Over that, then you can send a roll back. But it is crucial to have too much paper. I tell customers, if I measure a room and it comes to say 8 rolls, I ask them to buy 9. I've got that extra roll if there's any damage on the paper. I accidentally damage a bit of paper. If my measurements weren't perfect, I've got that extra roll, and they're all the same batch, because if I ordered 8, needed another one, and it came a week later or even the next day, it could be from another batch. So I would advise to over order on your paper and take any excess back. So if you've got more than 3 drops to your roll, with this wall we're still going to need 2 rolls, whatever it is. So if it was a bigger area, bigger room, over order, make sure you've got enough paper, and then either keep that roll, you could keep it if you had damage in the future, you could tear the paper accidentally or mark it, and you can replace lengths of paper. I can do that and I'll show you how to do it. Keep that roll or take it back, get your money back, but over order, best way to do it.